Did you know banana peels are packed with nutrients that can benefit your hair? Instead of throwing them away, you can use them to nourish and strengthen your strands. So, guys, stay tuned. I'll be right back.
Oh, it's Rita, baby.
Most people throw away banana peels without realizing they are packed with nutrients that can benefit their hair. But today, I will show you a simple way to turn banana peels into nourishing hair treatment. So, banana peels contain antioxidants, vitamin A, B, C, and E, as well as potassium, which helps strengthen hair, improve elasticity, and promote shine. They can also help with dryness, frizz, and scalp health. So for this DIY mask, I used one banana. First, I peeled the skin and cut the peel into smaller pieces. Then I placed them into a pot. If you have watched this video up to this moment, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel. Tell me what you think about this in the comment section. Also, don't forget to follow me at Ririwadinobi on Facebook and Instagram. Also at Rita on TikTok. Thank you, guys. I added a cup of water into this banana peels and I let this simmer on low heat for about 5 minutes, allowing the nutrient to infuse into the water. This is what I meant by the particles, some particles inside the liquid I obtained. So I got my applicator bottle and transferred this content, the liquid content, into this bottle. This make it easier for me to apply in my hair. As for now, I will not be showing you how I apply this in my hair because I had my hair done. So I will just tell you what to do after transferring this liquid into your applicator bottle. So once you've transferred this into your applicator bottle, you can now spray this into your hair and let it sit for about 20 to 30 minutes. If you have a steamer cap, you can just wear your steamer cap for about 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes anyway. So once that has penetrated into your scalp, you go ahead and rinse it out with your favorite shampoo and conditioner. Your hair will feel softer, shinier, and more hydrated. This is a simple and effective way to make use of banana peels instead of throwing them away. And yeah, try this out and let me know your results in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and click on that notification bell. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.